This is video 1 of making the Millennium Falcon from just cardboard and other useless materials. And this is actually based off a YouTube channel who gives out templates to make the base of the build, and then you kind of do the details by yourself. But yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing, so all credit to him. I'll link his channel in the description. But yeah, this is video 1 to making it, and hope you enjoy.
the sky will play like this. I ain't going nowhere without you. I just wanna be where you are.
Okay, this is where we are at with making the Millennium Falcon. Yeah, so I kind of got, the main base done, obviously. I have some little spots where there are details, like over here, over there, and then on both sides with these. I'm kind of bulking it right now. That's where all the details are going to go over. And just start up top with the main of these pieces, like bulking it. And then I'm going to add some details here and, in these little slots. After that, I'll add where the cockpit is, then some other minor things, and then I'll just have to get to the hassle of doing all the details. So that's to come, but I think this is the end of video 1. So if you do like it, please consider subscribing to the channel. That's it.